In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding using Cloudflare, perfect for beginners who want to streamline their email management. This process will guide you through each step, making it easy to follow and implement without any hassle. First, let's navigate to your Cloudflare account's homepage. If you haven't done this before, you'll find it straightforward. Simply log into your Cloudflare account as usual. Once you're on your account homepage, you'll see a list of all the websites or domains you currently have associated with your account. Now let's move on to the domain where you want to enable email forwarding. Click on that particular domain. This action will take you into a dedicated dashboard for the selected site, offering a variety of settings tailored to your domain. Here, you'll find different options for managing your site, but for our purposes today, we'll focus specifically on email. In your domain dashboard, look for the email section, which is generally easy to spot. Click on that. This will bring up Cloudflare's email management page. It's a comprehensive area dedicated to overseeing your email routing and settings. It might be a lot to take in, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple for this tutorial. Next, on the email page, you will see a Get Started button. Go ahead and click it. This button initiates the process of setting up email forwarding. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter a custom email address. This is essentially an alias you create under your domain, which will forward incoming emails to another address of your choosing. It's helpful to think of this as creating a catch-all that directs emails appropriately without getting lost. Alongside, you'll need to set the destination email where all forwarded emails will be sent. This address could be your main email or another account you frequently check. Remember, choosing a reliable email destination is crucial so you don't miss any important emails. Once you've filled in your custom address and designated the destination email, the next step is to save these settings. You do this by clicking on Create and Continue. This step finalizes your email forwarding setup and activates it. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up email forwarding using Cloudflare. This will allow you to easily manage emails without switching between multiple accounts. Don't forget to test your new setup by sending a test email to ensure everything is functioning as expected. With this done, you've unlocked a simple yet powerful way to handle your emails more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.